How to connect a Hostinger domain with Shopify. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Hostinger domain with Shopify. The process is very simple. Just follow the steps I'm going to share in this video, and you will be able to connect your Hostinger domain with your Shopify account easily. First of all, make sure you have an account on Shopify and Hostinger, and that the account is set up. Once your Shopify account is set up, click on the settings at the very bottom left. After clicking on the settings, you will land on this page. Here, click on Domains. Once you click on Domains, you will see an option to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. Since you already have a domain, click on Connect Existing Domain. Once you click on this button, you need to paste the domain. Go to Hostinger, copy the domain, and paste it here. After this, click on Next. It will give you instructions to follow in order to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify. Follow the instructions, then click on Verify Connection, and the domain will be connected. Now let me show you the instructions to follow. First, go to Hostinger and click on the Manage button. Next, click on DNS Name Server. Here you will see some CNAME and A records. Before entering a new type, click the Delete button to delete the existing CNAME and A records. After that, choose CNAME. Enter www under Name, and in Target, paste the domain name. Leave the TTL as it is. Click on Add Record, and this record will be added. Next, choose a type. The name will be @, and it will be pointed to this address. The TTL will remain the same. Click on Add Record. After that, click on Verify Connection, and the domain will be connected to your Hostinger. Your Hostinger domain will now be connected to your Shopify account. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.